So basically, Carolyn, this used to be... Watch this. They're gonna start flying, so be aware. Oh, they didn't really. Wow! They ate all of their pollen, Patty.
Yeah, they did.
But there's no smoke.
Oh, now there is.
A
little bit.
It's not. I forgot my hive tool. Dad, there's no smoke.
There is.
All right, Carolyn. So first thing I'll do is clean this up. Otherwise it looks like a very clean hive. So it looks like there's a ton of bees. I'm gonna take this frame off and...
You're taking all the frames off?
Yeah, I'm gonna look at them. Same thing as usual. It's stuck. They glued it down.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
So here they...
This is a new one they've started
Yep.
to build.
This isn't interesting yet. I don't want to squish any. Get out of there. Okay. So, now that we got one out, Cal, that's not even interesting. Wait till you see these.
Whoa.
So here there's little tiny eggs. If you guys, you probably hear too. You see it right in the center,
Whoa.
Carolyn, right there. I don't know if you can see, but there's little tiny eggs. Dad, did you see them?
Crazy.
No.
And here you can see they capped some honey
yeah.
off.
Oh yeah, I can see them.
So
It's funny they know how to do it.
here's gonna be more, Carolyn.
Whoa.
Oh wow.
That's so cool.
Wow, look at all the little larva stages. I gotta make a quick Instagram video. Alright, y'all, so this is some larvae. I don't know if you can see it in there. Some little baby ones in here. It's capped brood, they call it. And that's pretty much end stages of larvae, and they turn into bees. So there's little tiny eggs. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a tiny grain of rice in there. So yeah. Crown, do you want to hold this? I'll take a picture of you holding this.
Sure.
Alright, so literally,
I'm gonna put... Yeah.
these are really docile bees.
Where does this go, Sophie?
Oh.
What now?
So this one went like this. Oh, they really glue that.
So they make wax, propolis, and honey, and eggs. What else do they make?
Wow. Yeah, you see, Carolyn, in the middle there, there's little tiny eggs where there's no
Whoa,
caps.
yeah.
Do you see the tiny eggs?
Oh, that's so cool.
What is this?
That's
Oh, that's
pollen.
honey.
Oh, yeah, nectar.
Nectar.
And the little baby bees, you can tell, like this is a baby. Where'd it go? I'm trying to find a baby bee because they're really fuzzy and golden. The one that's gonna half in and out, those are all babies, but they're poking their head in. I don't see a queen.
There's a lot more bees than you had before.
Yeah, now they're all hatching from her first cycle, which is amazing. Aren't they beautiful?
Wow.
Yep, eggs everywhere. So she's definitely laying. This is all, it looks like dark. It's different pollen colors. Beautiful.
And they only use those little homes once, or do they use them twice?
No, they'll use them over and over.
Use them over and over.
They're so beautiful. I'm trying to find the queen.
You really like it, that's Sophie. I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a fuzzy one.
Yep, that's a new bee, fuzzy and light.
Where
Look at
is
this
it?
one. Did I keep point one out for her? Well, you can't see it.
Oh, it's tiny.
Yeah, there. Is that the queen? No. Aren't they cute?
Yeah.
It's kind of heavy.
It's because there's so many bees. Whoa, Papa, there's one on your back.
If you feel inside, it's warm. It's like radiating heat.
Oh yeah.
Not super warm, but
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
you see here, it's stuck. They glued it here.
It's funny how they don't seem to mind you taking the things out.
I know, they're so nice.
There was a little fuzzy one that just flew onto my sleeve and then left.
Really?
Yeah.
So still no queen.
Sometimes we just see her in the photo afterwards.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get better. You see her? Here's also in the corners. Maybe here too. No, that's... Oh, here. Upper corner, it's different stages of larva.
Oh yeah. Oh, it looks like bubbles.
Yep. Dad, do you see it?
Oh wow.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
So at the bottom, you can see there's new eggs, and as you work your way up towards me, they're bigger.
That is so cool.
Where are you, Miss Queen? Probably next week, maybe we can add a...
What does the smoking do?
It makes them go down. For some, I don't know why. And it also apparently masks the smell of pheromones. Here's the queen. You see her camera
Oh,
with the
there
white
it is.
dot?
She has the hat. Yeah, the white hat.
Oh yeah. Huh.
Dad, do you mind taking a picture with my celly of the queen? Like a...
You have to make sure that
Yeah, of course. But it always has to be in the same order.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh. And orientation.
Oh, so you have to just keep everything the same for the whole time?
Yep, or else they get all confused. So, here, I'm going to carry this on and put it as it was. Like this.
I wonder how they can tell whether it's all back in the same order or not.
I think they just have their system. And now that we're not going to use this anymore, although I will give this to them. This, Carolyn, is
What is
just
it?
some pollen patty. It's like a man-made thing, but it feeds them. It helps them pretty much get a little head start. So they have a little bit left. I'll add here for them to take. Then I'm going to put this.
So this is